Welcome once again to this significant occasion. Today, we gather here to recognize and celebrate the dedication and hard work of these outstanding individuals who are about to get on an incredible journey in the field of medical technology. The white coat and pinning ceremony is a symbolic event where we grant official authorization to these interns to practice and contribute to the ever-advancing world of healthcare. This ceremony marks the moment when our interns transition from students to professionals ready to make a real impact on patient care and the advancement of medical technology. Throughout their journey, these interns have acquired a wealth of knowledge, honed their skills, and demonstrated their commitment to excellence. To officially open our program, it is my pleasure to introduce to you the Dean of the College of Allied Medical Professions, Dr. Pia Vanessa Basilio, who will deliver the words of welcome. Let us give her a warm round of applause.
Good morning and a warm greeting to everyone, to our dear parents, families, our university admin and staff, to our dedicated MedTech faculty, internship coordinator, Ma'am Dee, Ma'am Julie, Ma'am Justine, Sir Art, Sir Josh, and Sir Andre, and also to our dynamic program chair, Ma'am Rima. Thank you for being with us today for these significant milestones in the lives of our MedTech students. Today is not just a ceremony. It is a celebration of commitment, responsibility, and most of all, transformation. The pinning and white coat ceremony is more than a tradition. It is a powerful symbol. The pin represents our allegiance to the values of our profession. The integrity, the accuracy of what we're doing, the empathy we have for our patient, and lifelong learning. Meanwhile, that white coat is a visible reminder of the trust placed in us as a future healthcare professional or medical technologist. Wearing it signifies readiness to serve, to learn, and to uphold the standard of our profession. It is also a marking of our transition or transformation from classroom to clinical practice, from students towards to interns. My dear students, kamusta kayo?
Gutom na yata, joke lang po.
So are you excited? Huh? Are you ready? Don't worry, your feeling is valid, okay? Siyempre may konting kaba, excitement, and everything goes around. But then again, I'm telling you, ready na kayo. Ready na kayo for your internship. Okay? So, mamimiss niyo yung mga halls, classrooms, si struggle ng AUF kasi mas madalas na kayo sa clinic and hospital. Okay? Now, tayo mga camp student, hindi tayo, parang sanay na tayo sa stress, sa pressure ng pag-aaral. But now, it's a little bit different or add-on. Kasi ang pressure and stress nasa hospital and clinic na. Pagod, puyat, kasama na doon yung pagsuserve sa patient and the hospital. Now, internship will not always be easy. Wala namang madali. Lahat naman talaga pinagpapaguran. They will test our limits. They will shape us into a more competent and more compassionate and resilient medical technologist.